In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog on Wix Studio. Whether you're starting a personal journal or creating content for your business, having a blog is a fantastic way to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise with the world. Let's walk through the process step by step. So by the end of our time together, you'll be ready to start blogging with confidence. First, let's head over to Wix. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. If you're new to Wix, take a moment to set up your account. It's straightforward and intuitive. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, where you can access and manage all your Wix sites effortlessly. Now, from the dashboard, you'll want to select the site where you plan to add your blog. Go ahead and click on your site from the list. If you haven't set up a site yet, you'll need to create one first. But assuming you've got that ready, selecting your site will bring you to the editing interface. It's here that the magic happens. With your site open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This area is rich with options and tools to help you customize your website. Look for the button labeled Apps. It's your toolbox for adding new functionalities to your site. Clicking on Apps will reveal a variety of tools you can incorporate. In the search bar that pops up, type Wix Blog and press Enter. You'll see the Wix Blog app appear. This is exactly what we need to get started. Click on Add to Site, and within moments, the blog functionality will be integrated into your website. It's that simple. Once the app is installed, it's time to start managing your posts. Look for an option called Manage Post. This is where you can oversee all your blog entries and their details. Click this option, and you'll be taken to a user-friendly interface where you can manage current posts and create new ones. Now, let's create your first post. Click on Create New Post. This will open up a blank canvas where you can begin crafting your blog entry. Take your time to write, insert images, or add any other content that enriches your post. Wix provides a range of editing tools to help you style your text just the way you like it. When you've written something you're happy with, you'll want to save it for future editing or publish it for the world to see. To do this, simply click either Save if you're planning to revisit it later, or Publish to make it live. Your blog is now part of your site, ready for visitors to read and enjoy. And there you have it. You've successfully added a blog to your Wix site. Enjoy sharing your stories and insights with your audience. Happy blogging!